Hello friend, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak, and today in this video I will show you how to fix echo problem on an Android phone in 2013. First of all, go to your phone settings and here simply search by mono audio. After that you will see mono audio settings. Simply tap on it. Go to mono audio settings and simply turn on this option. That's it. Now simply restart your phone. After restarting, again go to your phone settings and search by mono audio. Go to mono audio settings and again turn on it. After that, hope your problem will be fixed. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.